What if you could create jaw-dropping flying dragon videos that look straight out of a fantasy movie in under 5 minutes? With free AI tools, it's easier than you think. Let me show you how. These AI dragon clips are exploding across TikTok and YouTube Shorts right now, pulling in millions of views and thousands of followers overnight. Today, we're covering how to make viral flying dragon videos with free AI tools. You'll learn the full workflow from idea to publishing. And the craziest part, you don't need editing skills, animation experience, or expensive software. In this video, I'll show you the exact AI workflow to create cinematic flying dragon videos completely from scratch using simple tools anyone can use. First, open ChatGPT and head to the GPT section from the sidebar. Search for a flying dragon generator GPT and launch it. Once you start the chat, professionally, the AI will instantly generate multiple dragon scene ideas for you to choose from. You can either pick one of the suggested scenes, or you can have it regenerate more options until you find the perfect one.
Let's ask the AI for more ideas. Or you can type your own custom dragon concept. I'm choosing one of the cinematic ice dragon scenes because those usually perform really well on social media. After selecting your scene, the GPT will generate two things, an image prompt and a cinematic video animation prompt. Let's look at the tools. Now copy the image prompt and open Magic Hour AI. Inside Magic Hour, click Create. Go to AI Image Generator. Paste your image prompt. For the best quality, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for TikTok and Shorts. Use 2K resolution. Choose Nano Bana 2 as the AI model. Then hit Generate. In a few seconds, you'll get a hyper-realistic dragon image with insane details like glowing scales. It's that simple to create viral content. He says professionally, fire effects, ice cracks, smoke, or lightning depending on your prompt. Once your image is ready, click Video directly below it. Now choose CANS 2.0 as the video model. Duration 10 seconds. Quality 720p. Turn audio on. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the cinematic motion prompt, and paste it into the video prompt box. Hit Generate, and that's it. Your static dragon image transforms into a fully animated cinematic flying dragon scene with movement, camera motion, lighting, and atmosphere automatically created by AI. You can repeat this process to create fire dragons, ice dragons, jungle dragons, cyberpunk dragons, storm dragons. The possibilities are endless. Or even giant boss-style fantasy creatures. These kinds of fantasy AI videos are getting massive engagement right now because people stop scrolling instantly when they see them. And that's how you can create viral flying dragon videos using AI in just a few minutes. If you want more viral AI video ideas, faceless content strategies, and tools that can help you grow faster on YouTube and TikTok, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. The next AI niche could be even crazier, and you don't want to miss it.